What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of RC Voodoo. Today I have another radio from Radiolink. This is the T8S. This is the new version that no longer needs to be connected to your phone through a cable to change all your parameters and everything like that to program the remote. What you get is the remote. You get a USB charging cable because this does have an internal battery, real lightweight, so it's not going to be like some of the big bulky remotes. Get the R8EF 8-channel receiver. You get the auto home pin you can connect. That way the left stick right now is set up for aviation. The right stick auto homes back to the center, but you can make the left channel auto home back by installing the little auto home button. And you get the manual. So this is good information in here, so you want to read all that if you're not familiar with all the different types of channels, S-Bus, PWM, and PPM. So what you want to do when you get this remote, you want to go to their website, and I will put a link in the description, specific link for this one, so you're not on there searching around for what you're looking for. And you want to use your Android phone to scan the link. They give you a scan code, so I'll show you what that is. Okay, when you get to their site, it will bring you to this page because this is the link I'm going to leave you. You just scroll down, you'll see the scan bar here with the little Android guy in the middle. Just use your phone, scan that, it will open the website. You download the app, and then it is on your phone. So from there, all you got to do is click the app, and it will open to the screen to get you started programming your remote. Okay, this remote is an 8-channel. It has, this will be channel 1 and 2, and 3 and 4, and then you have channel 5 is a 3-way switch. Let's see, channel 6 is a momentary switch. Channel 7 is a 3-way switch. And channel 8 is basically a potentiometer. It's a roll button here. So you got all your trims and everything down here. Power button. Hold it in for 2 seconds till to turn it on. Hold it in 2 seconds till to turn it off. Okay, so this mainly for drones, airplanes, that type of thing, but really handy if you have something with where you need a lot of channels, like maybe construction equipment, RCs, backhoes and bulldozers and that type of thing, or boats. I have hooked these up to my crawlers, so you can use that. Plenty of channels for winches and lights and whatever, so you're not limited just to drones or aircraft. It's there. It works for basically anything you want to connect it to. Super simple to connect, and I will show you now how to program it. So let's go take a look. Okay, so once you open the app, what you want to do is turn on the radio. Okay, now you want to hit the connect button. You'll see Radiolink, and then just click a button on the radio, and that will connect it. That easy. So now once you got it open, you can hit the basic tab, And right here you can normal or reverse all your buttons. So if you want channel, let's see, channel 5, you want that on reverse, click reverse and then click right, and you hear the radio beep. Now that means it has reversed the channel on the radio. So you can test it. You go back. Now I think we've done channel 5. We'll click the down button. Okay, it goes to 100. Okay, now let's go back to basic, hit channel 5, hit normal, right. Okay, go back, now channel 5, hit the down button, and you're going negative. So hit reversed the channel, and you can do that for any channel. You know, all 8 channels can be reversed or normal. So you got your advanced tab. Here's your dual rate mixes. Channel 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to fine tune your channels or mix some channels. And then of course some of this stuff is more for drones, helicopters and planes, that type of thing, because you got an altitude and all that kind of stuff. Then you click the system tab here, and you can actually change the channels, the output for each channel. And then again, program mixing 1 and 2. And if you get it all screwed up, right here, the reset button, it will restore your remote the way it came. So once you set up all your options, click the right button, you'll hear the remote beep, and you'll know it has wrote it to the remote. So disconnect, just hit the button 1 time, and it is disconnected. We'll go back and check. There's moving remote, no action on the screen. Hit to connect, select Radiolink, hit a button on the radio, and we're back to connected. So super easy, no more using the old cable to connect, and you connect on the fly through Bluetooth just by hitting the connect button, get the beep, hit a button on the radio, and you are connected. Make all your changes. You can store it, profiles, then route it to the remote, and you're good to go. So the new version, Bluetooth, no longer need the cable. So there you go, guys. Hope this helped, and we will see you next time.